Everyone, it's Imade, and today we are going to be looking at a Clickup board that I built for a client. And right here is the Clickup board. My client wanted a smart, scalable system for fast-moving clients, and this right here is what I built for my client. So on Clickup, it's actually a little bit different from Monday.com. So right here, it is based on status. So boards are actually organized based on status. And right here is what we have. The first status that we have here is discovery and strategy status. As you can see, it said edit status name. So these are what we have here, and we have tags under it. Um, so the first tags we have here is client intake and discovering tags. So we have three tags here, but the tags, these tags, they have sub tags under them too. So this client and intake, the discovery call has four sub tags. So that's why you're seeing four right here. Once you expand the sub tags, you're going to see the four sub tags that are here and the people they are assigned to and what have you. You understand? So right here on the time tracked, this column, the way you can use it, you can, once you want to start tracking time, you can start the timer. Probably you're working on this particular task, so and you just started, so you can just put the timer and work on the task. So once you're done working on the task, you will put off the you stop the timer. So once you stop the timer, you're going to see how many hours you've worked for. Now if you did not remember to use the timer and you forgot to put the timer, but you know how many hours you worked, you can come here and you can just enter the hours that you worked for that particular task and you save it. So you're going to see it here, right here. So this is how you do it. Now I have another column that has the status that we were supposed to use here, but I wanted it to look like group, just like it looks like a Monday.com. So this right here is it. So this is how the board view looks like on ClickUp. So the board view, you might be a little bit confused on the board view, maybe when you expand all the sub taxes. Now let's expand it and let's say, sorry, let's expand it. So once you expand your tax, you're going to it's kind of a little bit confusing if it's your first time making use of ClickUp. So to know which sub tax is under which tax, just look at the top right here. You're going to see that the tax which they are under, so that it won't be confusing to you. This right here is a tax, so it has three sub tax under it. Once you click on the sub tax, you're going to see the tax on top, then you see the name of the subtask. So right here, we just did only one automation. Let's take a look at our automation. So the automation is when an assignee is added, you set custom field, which is the status that I imputed. You set it to in progress. Now let's assign a task to somebody and let's see what happened. So I assigned this task to iStores. Now hold on, let me use the list view. Let's see how it works. So let's say I assign this task. Okay, let's see what the status is saying first. So this status is to do. Now let me assign the task to anybody here. So let's see. So now it has turned to in progress, which means our automation is working, and this is what my client wanted. Thank you so much. See you next time.